Day in the life of a party animal. Late for the party. Yo! I haven't seen a party like this since forever. Hey, Mr. Millman, can I get a, chicken meal? Yeah, thank you. Is my food done yet? I've been waiting here for a long time. I'll go see if it's ready. I gotta make him chicken comfort. Put the chicken. Oh, let that cook. I love my job. Alright, the chicken is done. Now I need a potato. Put it in an air fryer. Alright, his meal is done. Yo, thanks for my fries. Thank you. I'm gonna go party more. Woo! That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think I'm done partying for now. Home, sweet home.